everyone, and my name is Sadie, and this is ARTLIFE. This is Murphy, my doggy. You left the picture. Welcome to SADIE TV. Today I'm going to teach you how to draw something, but it's a secret. What do you think it is? Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a drawing task. And I'll tell you a funny story. And at the end, it'll turn into a picture. But the picture's a secret. I will tell you at the end. You need a piece of paper and a pen and text this. Let's get started. There once was a man with no arms. There he is. And one day, he was chased by swarms of bees. Buzz. To get away from the bees, he jumped in a big swimming pool. But that didn't work, so he ran into a big cave. And he hid behind 2 rocks. And the bees tried to find him behind the rocks. Buzz. 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 And the bees couldn't find him, so they gave up and flew away. So the man bought 2 hot dogs. Look at my dog picture. It's a dog. Can I colour it in? Now I'm going to colour the dog with beautiful textures. Look at them. I'm using these colours because they're beautiful. Do you like it? I'm going to use more colours now. Try to get all the white gaps and stay in the lines as best as you can. Look at this dog. It's very pretty, isn't it? Did you like my story, guys? Yes. What colours are you going to use for your dog? Thank you for joining us. My dog is very abstract. Abstract means you're using colours that aren't real. Look at my dog. It's so beautiful, isn't it? I'm going to give it a kennel or a square. Try a triangle on top. That's its house. I'm going to do it pink and purple because they're my favourite colours. What else can we do for the background? I'm drawing a bone now. Draw 2 lines and then 2 bumps on each side. A bone. Last I'm going to do is going to give the dog some grass with green. I think it's all done. I hope you enjoyed making a dog today and learned a story how to draw one. Did you guess what it was? It's as simple as that. I hope you enjoy SADIE TV today. See you next time, everyone. Bye.